Like she's nervous. After the next one.
Jeremias Jimenez. Amina Kennedy. Anaya Keys. Arisba Prado.
A little older, and a whole lot smarter. It has been our pleasure and privilege to watch their character, personality, and intellect develop day by day as we've learned new things together. This year we have learned, laughed, sung, and grown up together. We have become a close-knit.
Sis, no.
Say it, babe.
Hey, how you doing?
Yeah, so right now we're sitting outside, y'all. I was inside the gym and I was so tired, out of breath. So I had to come sit down because I didn't have a chair in there to sit down. So right now we're just waiting for them to let out because I'm about to go get Amina early because the girl is tired and out of breath, like I said. And then we have to come back at about 1:15, and then Melvin had his ceremony at 2, and then Lamarion has his at 1:15. So we're gonna be doing that today, and then we should be done. Come on, girl. You and your cake? Yeah. All right. We got it, y'all. We got this little girl. Okay, y'all. So right now we are in the car. We just left Bojangles. It's about 10:30, I think. And we just got some breakfast. Cajun filet biscuit and some fries, which I'm really kind of disappointed, y'all. This has so much Cajun seasoning on it. It's too salty. So I'm not really trying to eat too much of that. I think I'm going to give it to Amina. But Amina said, hey, girl.
Hey.
She done graduated, y'all, and she's excited. Are you excited? You going to first grade?
Yes.
Good, baby. So we're gonna take her to Five and Below, get her something for graduating, you guys, and doing good. And then I'm gonna go home, probably chill for a little while, and then, like I said, come back to the school for Melvin and Lamarion's little ceremony there. I think it's like not even a graduation, just like a certificate ceremony where they get certificates, whatever. So I'm gonna go back to the school for that, to me and babe. And then yeah, just wanted to come and update you guys. We're at the gas station right now. Babe about to gas up, and then once he's done doing that, and then we should be able to go to 5 and Below, and then I'm gonna go home, y'all. I had to get some water because I'm so thirsty. Honestly, I think it's from, hold on, baby. It's in the bag. Honestly, I think it's from being in that gym. I was so hot. So I'm gonna try to go a little early this time because we got there a little late. I think we got there like, it started at 9 o'clock. We got there like a 9:11, which is not too late, but you know, people tend to come to those things kind of early. So I didn't have a seat, and a man, he offered me his chair. You know, obviously I said no thank you. So anyway, that's what I'm gonna do, you guys. I just wanted to update y'all, so I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. Let me see, man, give me a hand. Want that? All right. Or do you want this one? Yeah, I got these leggings. Came here for Mina, but babe ended up seeing these for me. Let me see my shoes. Yeah, I had to get these. These are so cute. Amina, she got her Barbie and her candy. So yeah, she's happy. Say hey, London. London. Say hey. Say hey, Mina.
Wait, hey.
When we get you in mine. Yeah, so we here waiting on Lamarion ceremony.